Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can insert transitions on your PowerPoint presentation, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to insert a transition on PowerPoint, it's actually so easy. So for the first step, I want you to go to the slide where you want to insert a transition. And once you're on the slide, next, I want you to go to the Transitions tab at the top. And here on the Transitions tab, you will now be able to see many different transition effects you can use, so just select the one that you like. And after selecting, you will then be able to see a preview on what the effect would look like, so you can decide if you like it or not. And once you've decided that you want this transition, you can now adjust the transition settings right here, such as changing the duration of your transition. And also, if you want the transition to be applied to all slides, simply click the Apply to All in the toolbar. This will ensure a consistent look throughout your presentation. And once you're done adjusting your transition settings, you can now view the result by going to the Slideshow tab. And there you go guys, you will now be able to see the result of your presentation with the transitions. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.